Hi students, in this video we are going to see some definitions and example 1.2. Let's see the definitions and notes. First note is it's important. So already we saw one example 1.1. The above examples show how the rational number may be given the decimal form. The reverse process of converting the decimal form of a rational number to the fractional form may be in the higher classes. So that means what? In 9th standard you are going to see how rational numbers converted into fraction, that is decimal number into the fractions. So there are decimal numbers which are non-terminating. I already told that non-terminating means there is no end in the decimals, and non-recurring, that is not repeated, so it's not a rational number. Example, pi value is 3.14159265 etc. So root 2 equal to 1.414213 etc. So these two values are irrational number, or not a rational number. In 1 marks they ask which is the not a rational number, the given pi value or root 2 value. So the decimal should not have the terminating and non-terminating and non-recurring. That's numbers are called irrational number or not a rational number. Okay, next, positive and negative rational number. So if numerator and denominator have the same sign, it's a positive number. Example, C 3/4 and minus 11/6. So plus by plus, obviously plus, that means positive rational number. Suppose minus 11/6, minus will cancel, it's also a positive rational number. Next, either numerator or denominator of a fraction have the negative, it's called negative rational number. Example, minus 3/4, in minus 3/4 numerator have the negative sign, so it's a negative rational number. Next, 11/6 in denominator have the negative sign, so it's also negative rational numbers. If numerator denominator have the same sign, it's a positive rational number. Suppose numerator and denominator have the different sign, it's called negative rational numbers. Next, 0 is a rational number which is neither positive nor negative, so it's a neutral, like, so it's not a positive, it's not a negative. Next, suppose minus sign in numerator or denominator, you write in front of the fractions. Minus 11/6 or 11/6 we can write as minus of 11/6. This is the standard form of fractions, negative fraction number. Okay, next, equivalent rational number. So if a rational number numerator and denominator multiply by the same number, then we get equivalent number. Example, minus 2/3 is equivalent to minus 6/9, because minus 2/3 numerator and denominator multiply by 3, then we get minus 6/9. Same, minus 2/3 multiply numerator denominator by 5, we get 10/-15. Therefore minus 2/3 is equal to minus 6/9, and minus 2/3 equal to 10/-15. This is called equivalent numbers. Next, rational numbers in standard form. Rational numbers with standard form satisfies three conditions. First one, the denominators of the rational numbers is always positive integer. The denominators of this rational numbers is always positive. Denominator of the rational number is always positive. Next, if the numerator and denominator have common factor is 1. Numerator and denominator is common factor is 1. If negative numbers will come, the negative sign occurs only in the numerator. The negative sign only occurs in the numerator. If the rational number satisfies these three conditions, then is said to be standard form. The rational number in standard form. I repeat, the denominator, the rational number always positive, and 1 is the only common factor between the numerator and denominator. And negative sign, suppose if negative numbers comes, must be in numerator. You must write in the numerator. It's called standard form. Next, example 1.2. I hope you understand the definitions. Okay, reduce to the standard form. So standard form means numerator and denominator in denominator of the rational number must be positive. Next one is the only common factor. Suppose it has any common factor, means numerator and denominator have the common factors. We cancel the common factors, or we simplify the common factors with use of common factors. So if negative sign comes in the denominator, multiply numerator and denominator by minus, it becomes positive in the denominator and negative in the numerator. Okay, let's see the sum reduced to the standard form. So first question, 48 by minus 84. So obviously 48 by minus 84 is the even numbers. See, 48 and 84. So even number means it's obviously have a common factor 2. And I already told you in the standard form, numerator may be positive or negative, no problem, but the denominator must be positive. Suppose the denominator is negative, we multiply minus in the denominator. So here I use these conditions, 48 by minus 84. So it has common factor 2 because the two numbers are even numbers, so both sides divide 2, so minus 2 minus 2. So 48 by 2 is 24. 84 by 2 is 42. Minus minus cancel, plus by minus minus, so the answer is minus 24 by 42. Next, minus 24 by 42 is also even numbers, so it has a common factor 2. So numerator and denominator divide by 2. So 24 by 2 is 12. We keep minus as it is, and 48 by 2 is 21. Next, 21 and 12 adds a common factor 3. So we divide numerator and denominator by 3. We keep minus as it is. 12 by 3 is 4, and 21 by 3 is 7. Therefore the standard form of minus 48 by 84 is minus 4 by 7. Next, we are going to see next sum, second Roman, minus 18 by 40. Here also 18 and 42 is the even numbers, therefore it has a common factor 2. So we want to cancel minus on numerator denominator, that's why we multiply minus 2 on numerator and denominator. So minus 18 by 42 divided by minus 2, minus 42 divided by minus 2. So 18 by 2 is 9, 42 by 2 is 21. And 9 and 21 have the common factor 3. Because in third table 9 and 21 is there, therefore it means that 3 is the common factor of 9 by 21. So we divide by 3 on numerator and denominator. 9 divided by 3 is 3 and 21 divided by 3 is 7. Therefore the answer is 3 by 7. So the standard form of minus 18 by minus 42 is 3 by 7. That's all. This is the example 1.2. I told you method 1 only. It's enough to understand the sums. No need to see the method 2 HCF method.